My name is Lyla Mehta. I'm a professorial fellow at the Institute of Development Studies at the University of Sussex, and I'm also a visiting fellow at the Norwegian University of Life Sciences. Climate change is a defining issue here in the 21st century. It's now globally acknowledged. At Paris, there was universal commitment to do something about it, which is great. Largely, understandings about climate change and its impacts are very, very uncertain. They're characterized by uncertainty. It's very uncertain what exactly is happening, what degree of temperature rise, sea level rise, extreme events, and particularly what that will mean at the local level and also how one should respond. But largely it's scientists, modelers, experts that have been discussing these uncertainties and not really looking at how local people on the ground understand climate change, live with uncertainty, cope with it, adapt to it, and they've been doing that for decades and centuries. So there's a lot of learning. We can build on local people's understandings. Also, climate science and understandings of climate change tend to be quite abstract and are removed from people's lived realities and lived experiences. So in our project, we're actually trying to bring these lived experiences up to the fore, lift some of these marginalized perspectives and build on them, and try to create more socially just ways to understand climate change. Ultimately, we're also interested in transformation. Climate change forces us to question current processes around which we understand economy, society, production, consumption. It asks for a radical re-understanding and restructuring of society, of gender relations, of social relationships, of consumption, of production. And I think that's what transformation is really important about. If we don't really understand how to deal with uncertainty, it becomes a sort of barrier towards adaptation and towards some of this transformative change. And in this project that we have funded by the Norwegian Research Council, we are seeking to address some of these questions, to try and bridge the divide between understandings of climate change and uncertainty from above and below, try to translate these issues and create a space that allows for marginalized people and disenfranchised people to have their voices heard, because they are the ones that ultimately bear the brunt of climate change, and it is their lives, their realities that should count the most.